Morning guys, welcome back to Sister's Kitchen, and today we're gonna make ackee and saltfish. I have my onions here, my sweet pepper, my seasoning. I have some ackee and saltfish seasoning here. I have my saltfish over here, and my ackee is just here, and my olive oil is here. So now I'm gonna get started, okay? My pot is all hot already. I'm gonna get some oil inside. Guys, I'm gonna add my onions and my garlic inside. Add some more onions here. So I have purple onions and white onions. Both of them together. Some stir for a couple 2 minutes. And I'm gonna add my sweet pepper. Okay guys, I'm going to add my tomato now. You hear that cheep? I love to hear that when I'm cooking. Now I'm going to add some coconut oil to give it some nice flavor. You know, coconut oil gives stuff good flavor, so I'm going to add a piece of coconut. It's a little bit hard now because it's winter here. I put a little piece in here just to give it that good little flavor. Stir again. And I'm gonna add my saltfish now. And I'm gonna add a little seasoning. And this I have black pepper and little ackee and saltfish seasoning. I like the color. I didn't have any green pepper, but it's still looking good. Okay guys, I'm gonna put that piece of hot pepper, scotch bonnet pepper. I just pick it from my tree and I just wash it. So I'm gonna put two slices inside. Just three. And I'm gonna add the ackee. I don't know. Saltfish look more than the ackee. And guys, if you buy the tin ackee, I advise you to scald it off before you add it to your saltfish. I always scald my ackee first. I rinse it. I rinse off the juice that was in the can first, and then I scald it off in hot water. And you see, this ackee is very good. It's very hard. Not softly. I don't like when the ackee is putty. The mushy I don't like. So guys, that's my pot of ackee and saltfish. And guys, remember to like, share and comment please. We'd like to hear from you guys. We are one family. Let's like and share and comment please. And this is the last result of my ackee and saltfish. And I have some fried dumpling over here. I'm gonna eat the fried dumpling after. Yeah, I'm making. The next video I will show you how to make the fried dumplings. Okay. I didn't make these in advance. So the next video I'll show you how to make fried dumplings from scratch. Or festival, whatever you would like. You can comment and tell me what next you like. Thank you. See you in my next video.